Remember when we looked at our first back-to-back action scenario, the was doing used to, right? We saw that if you add kana to the beginning of a normal present tense action sentence, you get the meaning of was doing / used to.
Yep.
Right? But kana is just a normal action, right? And it can appear just as a normal action, right?
Meaning not in a back-to-back action.
Exactly,
sentence.
not in a back-to-back scenario.
So with just like a normal doer and receiver?
Yep, exactly. Just like a normal action with a normal doer and receiver. So some examples here.
So does it have a different so does it still translate as was doing, or?
So kana on its own just means was.
Okay.
Yeah, on its own just means was.
So when we see kana with the present tense, we translate as was doing used to do. But when we see it just without an action, we just translate it as was?
Yeah, just was. Right? So examples here. Kana aktharuhum mushrikeen. Right? Our only action here is kana. Right? You don't see a second action.
Right.
And you just see aktharuhum. That's our doer. Right? We have our doer label. And then mushrikeen, receiver label. That's our receiver. Right? So it's a normal action with just a doer and a receiver.
And it still translates in the order of doer, action, receiver.
Yep.
So most of them
Yep.
were polytheists.
Yeah, so most of them, that's our doer. Were, that's our action. Polytheists, that's our receiver.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Another sentence. فَكَانَ أَبَوَاهُ مُؤْمِنَيْنِ. So we have kana, that's our action, normal action. And then أَبَوَاهُ, that has a doer label.
This was from the anomalies.
Yeah, this was
Okay,
from-
this doesn't come up much, but it was because hiding the pronoun who, there's an alif left, which tells us that it used to have a noon there.
Good.
So it used to be abawani, which is a doer label.
Yes.
But then because we attached the pronoun to it and made it a possessive, the noon dropped.
Good.
Okay.
Good memory there. Of something that doesn't happen very often.
No, it's so rare. It's so weird to see it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then here we have our receiver. Right, so just normal doer, action, receiver. It translates the same way, start with your doer first, and then your receiver, and then your, doer, then action, then receiver.
Okay. And then would it be more accurate to, I guess, his parents, same thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is kind of a given, right? So basically, in a nutshell, right, kana can translate as a normal action, and it can take a doer and a receiver, and when that happens, it just translates as was.
Okay. Got it.